Hey there, awesome friends. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today we are going to talk about a super important word in every sentence. It's called noun. Have you ever heard about it before? No worries. If you haven't, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what a noun is and how to find them in a sentence. Let's jump right in. So, what is noun? A noun is a word that names something. It could be a person, a place, or a thing. Anything around you can be a noun. Cool, right? So, friends, nouns are divided into two parts, common nouns and proper nouns. Today, in this video, we are learning about common nouns. So, common noun is a word that names something. It could be a person, place, or a thing. Let's start with a person. A noun can be the name of the person, like artist, clone, acrobat, teacher, are the nouns. Then, some words for animals like zebra, birds, dog, cats are the nouns. Then there are some words for places like school, playground, park, hospital are the words for places. Also, there are some words we use for things which known as common nouns like cake, bag are the common nouns. Let's practice together. Underline the common nouns in these sentences. There is a little bird in the garden. Bird is common noun. Who is your teacher in this, which is a common noun? Teacher, right. Don't eat that rotten apple. In this, which is a common noun? Apple. Sanika has a lovely doll, which is common noun? Doll. I like reading stories. Stories is a common noun. Next, my father is a doctor. Here is doctor is a common noun. Next, every child has a dictionary. Dictionary is a common noun. Rudy hates bananas. Banana is a common noun. The phone is ringing. Phone is a common noun. Here is a book for you. Book is a common noun. Let's practice more. Here is a mixed bag of words. Put each word under its correct heading. Swimmer, snail, fire, engine, clone, latest flag, river, barber, mountain, fox, hotel, parrot, granny, taxi, camel. Place all these words in a correct place in people, animal, places, and think and comment down below. For such knowledgeable video, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and stay tuned for more learning.